Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege not opening on your computer. It's a very annoying problem, so make sure you watch this until the very end so we can fix this problem and just enjoy the game because it's very annoying. I can understand you. Instead of playing the game, you have to look for ways to fix the problem. So I'll share with you now what I've tested myself and worked for me. I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So also join my Discord server so you can so we can help each other. Can I try to help you with this problem? So and also leave your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if this worked for you. So make sure you watch this until the very end. And now let's jump right into the video. So we're having problems not with a game not opening. This is what I've tested myself, and usually it was for Windows updates. So not just updates. So make sure you also head over to advanced options and optional updates, and here in the driver updates, make sure you enable all this update, enable, and then click on download and install. Alright, click on download and install. And now another thing that you have to do to fix the problem is to head over to driver or device manager, and here in device manager make sure you click on display adapters and update to the latest updates. So automatically update and research for your computer for the best driver and install on your device. So for me, I have the latest updates, the best drivers, so already good. But another thing that you can do to fix not opening, you can also click on the game and click on properties, and here click on compatibility and display full screen optimization, and then change and then here high DPI scaling override, enable that. And also make sure you restart your computer at the end of this video. And another thing that you can do is also to enable run this program after you restart your computer, and also run this program as administrator. Okay, you can also now head over to the game. So click on the game, click on properties, click on local files, and here select verify integrity of game files, and also here click on browse. Alright, so make sure you click on browse and then verify integrity of game files. Alright, that's another thing that you can do. And now also head over to your manufacturer and install the latest updates. For me is I use NVIDIA. For you it might be AMD, or you have an Intel GPU, or you have CPU, and maybe you also have a NVIDIA graphic cards. So that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to show you. You can click on check for updates and install the latest update, the latest driver. All right, so that's what you can do, that's what you can try to fix this problem. So please leave your results in the comment section, and now I'll see you in the next video. Take care. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.